In 2023, you've disclosed in your CV that you were accused of theft of church funds, but you did not, and then you also said that you were not found guilty, but you did not attach the finding of the Board of Inquiry that acquitted you.
I requested the church to provide me with a little bit of testimonial that shows that I was not found guilty in that case. Unfortunately, due to the nature of the organization, I'm only managed to get it this last weekend because the people who are responsible for the, those tribunals are not always at church. So they only come to church during our the testimonial
You have what?
from the church
No,
chairperson.
I'm not asking for the testimonial. I'm asking, the GCB is saying you did not attach the proceedings and the judgment that said you were not guilty. That's what they were complaining about.
But I think in their questions, I don't remember where they say I should attach proceedings. They said, um, actually, they compared that with my debt review to say that it might affect my integrity or it might, lay me into receiving bribes. And I think I made my point in that one. I don't remember where they said I must produce the proceedings of those hearings. Had they done so, I think the church would have been willing to provide those proceedings.
All right. But your point is that you have the judgment with you.
I never said I have the judgment. I said I was not found guilty.
It was not found.
Are we speaking about the church issue?
Yes, I'm talking about the finding that you are not guilty. It would be written down in the form of an outcome of a disciplinary process.
Yes. Yes.
Do you have that? That's what I'm asking.
I don't have that. I have the testimonial where they said they want they actually.
Sorry, what is it that you have?
Is the testimonial from the church?
Testimonial.
Yes.